Dogecoin is slowly creeping back into the green. Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, looks like it's making a recovery this bull run. Couple days away from the Bitcoin halving and potentially the biggest bull run we've ever yet to see. Now guys, welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at Dogecoin and some very exciting things going on in the Dogecoin universe in terms of price action, price analysis, and all of that. But before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. Now, before we start the video, I want to ask, how are you guys feeling in the overall crypto market with Bitcoin in the red? Cryptos are crashing all across the board. How are you feeling? I know a lot of you are invested in altcoins. I know a lot of you guys are invested in some of the meme coins. We've been seeing a lot of red. How are you feeling? Comment down below. I think, guys, we are about to pass the storm and re-enter back into the glory days. Yes, we've been seeing upwards of 20 to 30% red this week, but when in doubt, zoom out. We've been seeing 300% pumps, 150% pumps all across the board, across all cryptocurrencies. So again, when in doubt, zoom out. Don't be folding just yet. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin, everyone's favorite dog themed cryptocurrency. We see the price is down 6% or 5.2% on the day, currently trading at 15 cents. What's going on with Dogecoin? A lot of volatility, but mostly in the downwards direction. In terms of the week, we're down a whopping 25% or 24%, and the month we're still up 7%. In the past 6 months, we're up a whopping 160%. Again, remember what I was saying, guys, when in doubt, zoom out. Yes, we might be down 30% this week, but in the past month we're still in the green. In the past 6 months we're mega green. We're up 160%, which is solid to see. In terms of market cap, we're currently sitting at $22 billion. Still the number one meme coin. Like very second would be Shiba Inu, which is still lacking approximately 10 to 12 billion dollars, which is insane to see. In terms of volume, $3.3 billion in just the past 24 hours alone. Again, Dogecoin, very excited things going on. Even Elon Musk starting to talk about Dogecoin again, which is bringing Dogecoin back to some glory days. Again, all my folks who got it early, I've been seeing some solid gains in Dogecoin. Elon Musk reveals a new anti-AI bot measuring Ripple. CTO reacts. $300 million Dogecoin snatched by mysterious whale after Elon Musk tweets just 9 hours ago. A lot of crazy things happening with Doge. People are buying in at the dip, so don't be the fools who sold at the top. Before we look at the technical analysis, guys, I want to highlight a quick meme coin that's going absolutely crazy, and that's DogeVerse. DogeVerse is the first Doge multi-chain cryptocurrency that's on 6 different blockchains, all mega blockchains too, may I add, and it's going absolutely crazy. The journey has begun. Cosmo is on an epic journey to bring Doge to the masses. This one's going to be a coin you're not going to want to miss. Just 9 hours ago, they surpassed the $5 million mark. The next stop is $5.5 million. You're not going to want to miss out on this pre-sale puppy. Guys, people who get into the pre-sales make absolute loads of bags. So if you don't want to miss out and you want to get in mega early on this project, I would recommend loading up a bag. Obviously not financial advice, but this puppy has some crazy potential. Buy now before the prices rise. The world's first train traveling Doge. They've already raised $5.5 million. Okay, so you haven't got an update from the team just yet, but take that in, $5.5 million. We're easily going to see this puppy hit 10 million, if not $100 million raised. And again, that means anyone who gets in early is going to be ready to lock in a crazy bag. Also, they have staking on here as well, which is great for price volatility, as a lot of staking is going to hold a set price instead of a lot of volatile selling and trading. Again, DogeVerse goes multi-chain. Buy and claim DogeVerse on any of the following chains: ETH, BNB, Polygon, AVAX, and coming soon to Solana and Base, 2 very popular exchanges for meme coins this run. Cosmos is a chain hopping Doge that's taking the internet by storm. The DogeVerse is a multi-chain now with 6 amazing different chains that's listed on. It's been featured on a ton of different articles. It has that multi-bridge utility. It has staking, everything you could ask for in a meme coin, a solid roadmap. You're not going to want to miss out on this puppy. In terms of staking, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the current APY, as it is a dynamic range staking where the APY is constantly changing, and we can see a current APY is 181%. Where are you going to earn 181% with fiat money? Absolutely nowhere. So if you want to grab a bag and you haven't already, make sure you take take a look. I'm going to link it in the description below. Now let's go back to Dogecoin and take a look at the technicals. All right, in summary, we're getting a sell. Oscillators are indicating a sell as well, and the moving averages are indicating sell. And this has been a constant theme across the board on all cryptocurrencies we've been covering right now. Everybody is just absolutely panic selling. I wouldn't be one to panic sell. I'd be a legend and load up a bag at these solid prices, as it's not going to come back this low again. Now Dogecoin in the green after new Elon Musk post. Yes, the Doge father has done it again, posting about Dogecoin causing the price to spike. The price of Dogecoin, the largest meme coin, has spiked more than 4% after Elon Musk posted another meme devoted to the Bitcoin parody on his X page. Musk shared his variation of the popular bogus dickus joke from the 1978 comedy film. The billionaire has portrayed the mainstream media as a member of the infantry of historically comedy films. They are barely capable of suppressing laughter due to the fact that they are having to cover the popular meme coin, now among the top biggest cryptocurrency by market cap. So Elon Musk starting to shill Dogecoin again. The Dogecoins, the dog coins are coming back into full effect, and you're not going to want to miss out. I'm going to go ahead and link everything in the description below for links to buy Dogecoin and links to buy DogeVerse as the pre-sales live. A ton of exciting things happening in the crypto market right now, and you guys do not want to miss out. So make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. That wraps up the video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Like always, not financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.